Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore one word at a time to help you expand your English vocabulary. I'm Alex, and I'm so glad you're here. Today's word is allocate, a C1 level verb that means to assign resources or duties. This word is especially useful in professional or organizational contexts, but you can also hear it in everyday conversations. Let's break it down. When you allocate something, you are distributing or assigning it to a specific purpose or person. For example, the manager decided to allocate extra funds to the marketing team means the manager assigned more money to that department. Another example could be, it's important to allocate enough time for exercise during the week, which shows how time is being planned for a specific activity. Some synonyms for allocate include assign, distribute, and apportion. For instance, the teacher will assign the students different topics for their presentations, or the company plans to distribute resources equally among all branches. Similarly, the city council will apportion the budget to different community projects. On the flip side, antonyms for allocate would be withhold, keep, or retain. For example, the organization decided to withhold funds until the project was approved, or she chose to keep all the responsibility to herself rather than delegating it. In daily life, allocate can come up in various situations. Imagine you're hosting a party and need to allocate tasks to your friends. You might say, "Can you please allocate someone to pick up snacks while I handle decorations?" In a workplace, you might hear, "Let's allocate a portion of our budget to staff training." It's a versatile word that shows thoughtful planning and organization. Here are some additional usage examples. The charity aims to allocate its donations to families in need. During the meeting, we discussed how to allocate responsibilities for the upcoming event. The project leader will allocate roles to ensure everything is completed on time. To summarize, allocate is a powerful word that helps you describe the action of assigning resources, tasks, or responsibilities in an organized way. Don't forget to share your own sentence using allocate in the comments below. If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to subscribe to Hello Word and leave us a review. Your support helps more people discover the show. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.